guys, Rhett here. What's going on at my client Nam's first Section 8 rental property? Guys, I am so fired up for Nam. The numbers on this one are pretty unbelievable. He bought this for $55,000. It needed $26,000 in rehab work, putting him all in at around $71,000. We're gonna rent this bad boy out for about $1,200 a month, 100% Section 8. I've done a ton of work on the exterior. We had our contractors do a brand new roof, all new decking, did everything. We're still in the midst of a rehab here, but I wanted you to come in and see what we've done, what we still have left to do, and what you can buy for being all in for $71,000. Come on in. So guys, Nam and I looked for houses for a couple weeks together. And I'm just thrilled with what we finally found for him. Something that fits his budget of purchase price, his budget for rehab costs. Everything we did fit his budget perfectly. So we are going to always work with you, find what your budget is, what you need, and then find a property that works for that budget, okay? So you walk in, we have our living room right here. We've done paint touch-ups on a lot of the walls. We are gonna take this out, of course. We gotta do some patchwork here, and we'll obviously clean that up. But we have bedroom number 1 right here. So good sized bedroom, really nice. Of course, after we finish up we put all new light fixtures in. So we'll have all of our cleaning crews come up here and clean everything up here as well. But really, really nice. I'm really happy with this property. All the electrical work was done in here. We did HVAC, pretty significant HVAC service. The roof was the biggest issue in this house. So guys, bedroom number 2, all LVP throughout the entire house, is a really, really nice look, very clean, and has been getting a lot of really good attention. Every time we're here, we are having people that are stopping their cars and they're coming in and they're literally saying, please take my HAPs, which is your housing assistance packet, which is what Section 8 tenants will give you when they want to rent your units. So doing really, really well with attention on this unit. And then guys, we have our master in the back of the house right here. Now the master also has its own bathroom, full bathroom. So this is a 3-2. The bathroom's beautiful. Attached to the master here, we have our master closet right here as well. Really, really nice, guys. You talk about, there's a lot of information out there when it comes to buying real estate, buying Section 8 real estate. You go on all kinds of social media and you're bombarded with information. And a lot of it's bad. Most of it's bad, most of it's wrong. This is a prime example of what you can buy for a low acquisition cost, right? Get into it and rehab it and create something that's going to cash flow very significantly and get into it for very, very cheap price. So it's houses like this that are the staples and the building blocks, the foundations to your portfolio. You need houses like this to be successful, that have strong returns, and then you build off this. This would be a home run house, okay? A home run house that you're into for $71,000 and you are cash flowing $1,200 a month with a 3-2, pretty unbelievable. But we find them all the time because that's what we do. Nam wanted this, we found it for him, and he has learned how to do this on his own after never doing this before in his life. A lot of value there, and you do it yourself, and I'm just in the trenches with you, helping you. So, guys, we walk out of bedroom number 3, walk into the kitchen. Now, of course, everything's coming out of here. The refrigerator's disgusting, get rid of that. Stove's disgusting, get rid of that. Fix these cabinets during our final walkthrough. Believe it or not, guys, an old style is to put your water heater in here. So believe it or not, this is actually a water heater that's in here. It's hollow, you can actually pop it open and open it up, and if you need to service the water heater, it's in there, okay? Here's our laundry room. Laundry room right here, we have our hookups, washer dryer hookups. We did all new electrical, so we put a brand new GFCI right here next to our washer and dryer, our washer hookup, okay? And then We have another bathroom in here, which we're changing out that toilet as well, and putting a new vanity in. So really, really nice, guys. A 3.2, all LVP. You can see why we're getting rid of this nasty refrigerator. Pretty gross, but really nice, really nice. So really happy with this, guys, and really proud of Nam. You know, you talk about investors who reach out to me who have no experience in real estate. They have the capital to get started, but they just don't know how. And that's where I come in to make sure that you do it right, you make money, and you don't lose money, which it's extremely easy to lose money if you take the wrong advice, you hire the wrong coaches, you get into the wrong markets, buy the wrong houses, you use the wrong teams, the wrong realtors, management companies, and contractors. It's very easy to lose money. If you don't want to lose money, send me an email, we'll get you started. We'll see you next time.